This is a airplane yoke bar off of a Beechcraft airplane, and what we're going to do on this is leather cover it. What this does is you have the yoke, and then you can flip the yoke from one side of the airplane to the other with this particular bar. So we're going to leather cover this just to kind of dress up his airplane interior. We've got the yoke in here also to recover it, so it is going to really dress up the interior of his airplane and give it a luxurious look and feel. So we'll put it through our transformation and take a look at it after we're done. Look how gorgeous this yoke bar from a Beechcraft A36 turned out. Just really looks gorgeous. We used that blue double French stitching on there, and really turned out great. We have previously done the yokes for this airplane with the same blue stitching on them, so it's really going to put the finishing touch on his Beechcraft. So we do every steering wheel and every steering yoke here at Craft Customs. We work on all makes and models of airplanes, so whatever you need, reach out to us at craftcustoms.com, where you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.